In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an incoming webhook URL on Slack. Incoming webhooks are one of the simplest ways to send automated messages from an external app or script directly into a Slack channel. They're useful for things like alerts, notifications, status updates, and other automated outputs. In this walkthrough, we'll go from creating the app all the way to testing the webhook to make sure it works correctly. To begin, open your preferred desktop web browser and go to the official Slack developer app page at api.slack.com/apps. Once you're there, sign in to the Slack workspace where you want these messages to appear. After logging in, look for the green button labeled Create an App and click it. A setup window will appear on screen. Choose the option that says From Scratch. This lets you manually configure the app yourself. Next, click into the app name field and enter a clear, easy to recognize name for your app. Pick something descriptive so it's easy to identify later, especially if your workspace has multiple apps. Then open the workspace drop-down menu, select the Slack workspace where you want the webhook messages to be posted, and click Create App. Slack will take you to the app's main dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, find the Features section and click Incoming Webhooks. On this page, you'll see a toggle labeled Activate Incoming Webhooks. Turn that switch on so the feature is enabled for your app. After that, scroll down to the lower part of the page and click Add New Webhook to Workspace. This opens Slack's authorization screen. Here, choose the exact channel where you want your automated messages to be delivered. Once you've selected the destination channel, click Allow to give the app permission to post there. When the page reloads, you'll see a section called Webhook URLs for your workspace. In that table, locate the newly generated webhook URL and use the copy button to copy it to your clipboard. This URL is sensitive, so treat it like a secret and avoid sharing it publicly. Finally, test the webhook to confirm everything is working. Open your terminal or development environment and send a post request with a JSON payload using curl. The command should include the content type header set to application/JSON, a data field containing a simple text message, and your full webhook URL pasted at the end. Once you run the command, check your selected Slack channel. If the message appears, your incoming webhook is set up successfully and ready to use, and that's it. You now have a working Slack incoming webhook that can power automated messages into your workspace.